Yeah, so in this video, we got oil change. Of course, I didn't show the whole process or anything like that. Other than that, if you skip forward to about 8 minutes, 13 seconds, that's where I'm actually talking. Talking for a hot minute. But talking about the Columbine shooting that happened today, where 2 cops got shot. Talking about Hurricane Milton, how Colorado is trying to assist with sending resources over there, or to Florida. Then talking about my job, which is very interesting. But other than that, you can skip forward to hear me ramble if you want. But I do have a lot of other video footage as well. That I've already took off my Action 4 camera. Just haven't uploaded anything. Just been busy with work and whatnot. I will be, gathering everything, putting it together, and see what I can do with it. I do actually have a Halloween ride coming up. Me and some friends. Probably just me. But other than that, yeah, like I said, if you want to listen to the rambling, skip to 8 minutes, 13 seconds, and you'll hear all about it. But other than that, take it easy, and until next time. So I'm back again. I do mention it later on in this video. So where I go for my services is Pecan World. If you do live in Colorado, Sheridan area, Denver, Littleton, Lakewood area, and you do want a Grom, this is a really good time to hit these guys up. They've got a nice little sale going on. It's not just for the Groms, it's for other bikes as well. But for the 25 models for the Honda Grom, they are going for like $36.98, maybe a little bit less than that. I can't really remember. I'm just throwing a ballpark figure out, but I do mention it in the video later on. But yeah, if you live in the Colorado, look for a Honda Grom, yeah, hit these guys up. They will cut you a good deal. In their service department, they're spot on. They're really good. They'll work with you. The sales department, accessories, you name it. Really good people. But yeah, if you're not looking to buy anything and just browsing, yeah, check these guys out.
doing some renovation. Looks like something like, you know, from Walking Dead. It's probably what happened. Zombie apocalypse is actually going on right now. And, yeah. It's nothing but dead bodies in there. That is a school, by the way, which is kind of funny. Well, it's not funny, actually. I take that back. Today, on Columbine Street, right beside the high school, there was a shooting today. Cops are still over there. Fire, SWAT, you got everybody. 2 cops were shot over there. Apparently somebody was shooting out of their house. I don't really know the whole story, but yeah, that's what's going on in Colorado right now. Still shootings. I don't think it was like a school shooting though, but if I'm not mistaken, it is the anniversary of the Columbine shooting, or it's right around the corner. I'm not 100% positive on that, but yeah, there was a shooting. Another thing about the, you know, Hurricane Milton, it's supposed to be making landfall soon in Florida. They do have, they're loading up a whole bunch of stuff at DIA, our airport, loading up a whole bunch of resources and whatnot, food, you know, wherever the resources may be, but they are loading that stuff up right now. Should be flying out here today, heading to Florida, or wherever else. But yeah, that's the news for the day, Colorado wise anyways. Let's see what else. Earlier I did go to Honda. I was going to do the oil change myself. Instead, I just let them do it. I really didn't feel like doing it myself. Reason why is I really have nowhere to put the oil. That's the main reason. So I did do that. Got the oil change, which is my 400 mile mark. I've only driven 14 miles so far. Well, a little bit over 14 miles. I was under the impression, you know, at 400 miles, I'm supposed to bring it in, you know, for the oil change, you know, the service, or either do it myself. I was completely wrong. It's at 600 miles, and then the next service is at 4,000, which I seriously doubt that I'm gonna hit 4,000 this year, or, you know, in the next year. I might, who knows. I've got multiple bikes in my car, in my truck, so I just like alternate everything, so I'm not putting all the miles on just one specific vehicle. So yeah, that's that. And then with work and everything, they tried to get me to come in on my off day, which is Thursday, and I've got off day today, but I do Fridays a day shift, so get to work at around 5:30. 5:30 I'm at work, but I don't clock in until around 6 o'clock. Get off at 2 o'clock, and then I start my swing shift, which is 2 o'clock to 10 o'clock at night. Well, these fools at work, yeah, they want me to come into work, you know, Thursday. I never responded to the text message. Forget that. Now they want me to come into work tonight at 10 o'clock, get off at 6 o'clock in the morning. No, not happening. I'm not gonna go to sleep right now just to go to work and then sleep all day tomorrow, which is my off day. Forget that. Especially since I'm owed 8 hours. A lot of people are owed money right now. I'm not gonna say where I work at, but we do get paid pretty well. But we don't get paid good enough to put up with all the bullshit from higher up. Plain and simple. But I'm not doing no fucking overtime. Hell with that. I mean, they owe me fucking 8 hours. You know, that's like fucking $500, something like that. So, no, I've been waiting since August to get that money, which I probably will never see that 8 hours. But it should be like, if a fucking job, I mean, what's your opinion? If a job does not pay you correctly, and like with 8 hours, for example, if your job doesn't pay you, forgets, whatever the fucking case may be, me personally, I think there should be some type of interest that's tacked onto that money that they actually owe you, just like a damn loan. If you don't pay that shit on time, that interest, it just keeps bumping up. Credit card, for example, you don't pay that off on time, interest rates get you. I think that should be the exact same thing with your job. Me personally, that's just me. Anybody else can have their own personal opinion. I'm not spitting out facts here or anything like that. It's just fucking bullshit. And they have the nerve to ask people to come to work on their off days, and they're not paying people correctly. Fuck off. Eat my dick. But that's that. I am not wearing my mic because, I mean, that shit digs in my mouth and my chin, and it hurts. And the only thing you can actually hear is me just breathing really hard. Honestly, I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me talk, my whole rambling and shit like that. We'll see. But yeah. But no, I was at Honda though. They're like, oh man, I like your bike. I like that color scheme. Where'd you get it? And I was like, dude, I got it from here, man. Yeah, I bought it here. And they're like, oh really? I'm like, yeah, dude, I got it from here. Which, I don't know who watches my videos that's actually from Colorado. If you are looking for a good bike, good deal as well. If you're looking for a good deal, check out Peak Honda World. They got some really good deals, especially if you're looking for a Grom. The 25 models. The 25 models they're on sale right now, and they look fucking nice. But yeah, how much are the 25 models? Brand new out the door, or after tax, well, before taxes and all. Before taxes, it is $3,698 for a 25 model. Mine is kind of dirty. Mine's a 24 model. But yeah, old dude, he was like, man, I like your bike. I like your bike. I like that color scheme and everything in your seat too. Which, it's not an actual seat, it's just seat cover. It is cheeky seat. So, and then I've got my clutch levers, Amazon edition. I like the mirrors because it fits in my living room, perfectly fine like that. If I had the bar end mirrors, there's no way I could put it in my house. But yeah, I'll keep those mirrors. I don't really too much like them, but it is what it is. And then for the peg, little Grom, like a fat peg thing. Same issue, Amazon. That is Amazon. Let's see what else I did to it. Tires, of course, the knobbies. All this shit that I'm saying, I mean, it's stuff that I've already put out already. I'm keeping the fender. I would delete that. It'd look probably way nicer if I did delete it. But I will not delete it. This bitch is falling off. I need to screw that in. But I'm keeping that just because, I mean, as you can tell, I do ride in the mud occasionally. So that actually helps me. I don't know how to pop wheelies, so it's not like I'm going to scrape this shit off. The most expensive thing that I've got on this bike, I would have to say my exhaust, the Vincent Hine. That bitch was expensive. Cycle gear. I like the sound of it. That's just me personally. But if you were to get the Vance & Hine from Cycle Gear, or just in general from Vance & Hine, there's a little piece on here that connects to the exhaust itself, because that is just a slip-on. The clamp, you're going to have to order it from Amazon, a durable one, and that comes from Taiwan. Very sturdy. You'll only need one, but it comes in like a pack of 6, but very durable. And what else? I got the bars, Pro Taper Sport. They're kind of low. You might like them, might not. And I got the grips and pillow top. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna shut the fuck up and drive a little bit. Hopefully I'm still recording, but we'll see. Another thing that I was thinking about doing, don't know if you can hear me. If you can't hear me, I'm sorry, but I was thinking about getting a Sur-Ron or electric bike. I don't know really anybody that actually rides them, but I mean, that's what I was thinking about doing, getting one of those, just to have something else. But I mean, I'm not a big fan on electric shit, you know. I want something that actually takes fuel and you can actually hear. But now, if there's a big ass group, I'd get one. Of people that actually rode them around here. But my only issue with that is the simple fact that with the Sur-Ron, I don't know how far you can go or how many hours until it actually goes dead. That's my only issue. What I mean by that, I connected Denver, but to get to like inside of Denver, yeah, I don't know how long my battery would actually last. Yeah, I could take the light rail or anything like that, but it's not worth it. I mean, I don't feel like getting like fucking whatchamacallit, bed bugs or fucking anything else like that. So
irritates me. I don't know about you, but for me, it does. But that's gonna do it for this video. Until next time.